Okay, I'm going to start by running through the verse and then I'm going to explain in a little bit more detail how you play the chorus. So you should all be familiar with the verse by now, but I'll play it through anyway. So it goes like this. Okay, and then this is where the chorus starts. So you've got the 4 E's. So then you've got the same thing again. Now this bit is really important where it says new hand position, that you change your hand position, okay? So when we started the song, we had our 3rd finger on a C. For this new hand position, your thumb is going to be on a C, okay? And then all your fingers are going to be on the notes next door. And it goes like this. Okay, and the chorus should be quite easy as long as you make sure that you move your thumb so it's on the C, okay? And then each finger has got its own key and you stay in that one hand position. Okay, so I'm just going to play from the new hand position bit again, just a little bit slower so you can watch. So.